Hey guys, welcome back again from Insanity Films, and this time in this video we're gonna take a look at the presentation of Made by Google 2018 about the Google Pixel 3 and all the new stuff. I mean, the products are amazing, the features are awesome, but the presentation is just terrible. Terrible. I mean, please tell these guys how to properly make a presentation, and without further ado, let's just watch it.
Finally, it's time to talk about phones.
Yay! She starts really well, but
Google Pixel 3 is designed from the inside out to be the smartest, most useful device in your life. It's a phone that can answer itself, a camera that won't miss a shot, and it's a whole new experience
all
when
the
it's charging.
pauses, it's just
Pixel
like
3 comes in 3 colors.
Come on.
Just black, clearly white, and a new color, which is not pink.
Not funny.
So
It
we
was gonna make a
designed
joke,
Pixel 3
but
XL's screen to extend all the way to the upper corners, giving users
Cringy.
an edge-to-edge viewing experience with some extra useful space at the top. The flexible OLED is the best Pixel display ever.
She's having a panic
The
attack.
new adaptive color profile provides a bright, vibrant viewing experience from any angle and in any lighting. Both phones have bigger screens than last year's Pixel and a larger screen-to-body ratio.
Come on, girl.
They feel smaller and more comfortable. to
Swallow.
hold.
Breathe.
And we're giving it to Pixel owners on us
What?
for 6 months.
It's so
Yay!
good, even professional photographers are shooting with it.
Badass.
We're excited to announce a new partnership with one of the most celebrated photographers of our time, Annie Leibovitz.
Woo!
A few weeks ago, we gave the Pixel 3 to Condé Nast, one of the world's top photographers.
When you press the shutter,
I lost
Pixel
the pen.
captures a burst of several short
My
exposures.
God.
We combine the images algorithmically to create an image that is brighter, more detailed, and more colorful.
Come on, more verb.
This technology is generations ahead of other smartphones.
You're introducing
All
something
this
new,
is
man.
happening on device. Pixel Visual Core is our custom-designed imaging chip that takes complex imaging and data crunching power out of our data centers and puts it on your phone.
No matter
Yay!
how great your camera is
Bet us
at
again.
capturing the finest details and
She tries.
reproducing the colors,
Damn
it's
it,
still
damn
the
it,
perfect
damn
shot
it. You
if
were nearly
don't hit
there,
the cutter at
Lisa.
exactly the right moment.
So cute, but
Top Shot solves that problem. Let's check it out.
You can
Let's
guess
check
what
it
happens
out.
next. We run the variations through emerging algorithms to
Yay.
create a beautiful, zoomed-in shot. So you can get
Come
closer
on.
to the details.
Be more
and frame
excited.
your shot the way you want.
Try
My
again.
site works so well, you'll never use your flash again. Let's take a look.
Now you can fit everyone in the shot
Let's take a
without a
look.
selfie stick or unusually long arms.
another
like
bad
mine.
joke.
Just zoom out.
Nobody laughs.
They look like they're really in the scene with you for even more playful photos and videos. And here's a sneak peek at the childish Gambino character we're working on with Donald Glover. Coming soon
All
to
these
Playground and
pauses are
exclusively to Pixel.
killing me.
Last year, we introduced Google Lens, which helps you do more with
With
what you see.
I'm sure you don't want to sit through a 2-hour keynote.
They need to
And
work
one
on
of
the
the best
presentation.
aspects of Pixel 3
What?
is free unlimited storage at original quality. You'll never have to worry about storing, syncing, or finding your photos. Pixel 3's camera
on,
is
you
the
can do
best
it.
end-to-end photography experience ever on a smartphone.
Ever.
We can't wait for you to try it.
Uh,
Let's say you're at dinner
wait for you to
with
try it.
friends or in a meeting
Fake
at work,
smile.
and a call comes in.
She knows.
It could be something
It's going
important,
so
or it
bad.
could be an offer for a free cruise.
Free
As you can
cruise,
see
make a
here,
joke.
The conversation is transcribed in real time on your screen.
So you can have a quiet dinner with friends or spend some time with your family. And finally,
And
Pixel 3
Come
includes
on,
a
man.
new
Do
Titan
it, do
security
it.
chip.
We're excited to introduce
not that
the
excited,
smartest
really.
wireless charger ever. The new Pixel Stand.
Say it better. See, the reaction is like,
When you dock your phone, the UI adjusts to be easily glanceable from across the room.
Play your music on Pixel's incredible front-firing
Cry.
stereo speakers. And the cover art is
it's
displayed on
in
the screen.
cry.
And Pixel Stand is $79.
That's awesome, dude.
Will arrive on October 18th.
Make it
in the
stand
US
out.
and Verizon and unlocked on the Google Store and Project Fi.
And we also have a large selection of cases
Come on,
and
try again.
accessories
Here she
available
comes.
from both Google and our partners. Check them out on the Google Store today.
That's it. I mean, well, it was funny though. I mean, they should really improve their presentation. I mean, if you like this video, please like, comment, and share, subscribe, the usual good stuff that will help me. But come on, I mean, that was the most terrible presentation I've ever seen. The products are amazing. Sorry. The products are amazing. My presentation is not better, but thing is, with the product like this, they deserve like a better presentation, like an epic one, like a Steve Jobs style. But these ones are so amateur. I mean, seriously. Anyway, this was just for fun, but I hope that this will get them. I don't know if they will see this video. I mean, I love them. I love Google stuff, Google Pixel, everything, but the presentation needs a lot of work. Next year, please do a better job. Please subscribe, like, blah, 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 you know, whatever. So, and as usual, Insanity Films, out!